Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this brand new Land Rover Range Rover finished in Belgravia green. This petrol plug-in hybrid comes with a 3-litre P460e engine and a 38.2 kWh battery, as well as the Autobiography trim. The large LED headlights will ensure the driver has perfect visibility while out on the open road. And this car does stand proudly on 22-inch alloy wheels in the diamond turned with gloss black contrast finish. There is around 820 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, which is perfect for larger families, especially when they are travelling. This car does also have air suspension, which will help load larger items into the car, and there are buttons to close the rear tailgate as well as the boot itself. As this is a petrol plug-in hybrid, we do find the standard AC charging port, and then we do see the DC charging fast port, which will allow the car to be fully charged a lot quicker. Stepping on into the back, we see the Perlino interior with the matching semi-Aniline perforated leather seats also in Perlino. There are ISOFIX points on both rear seats, and there is a fold-down armrest which will reveal space for 2 cup holders in the front and a storage pocket in the back. There is a ventilation unit which does include rear heated seats as well as 2 more charging ports, and the back seats can be controlled electronically by options on the door. Making our way up front, we do see the continuation of the Perlino interior contrasting with the black support frames. We see that there is a full panoramic sunroof, and the side supports on these seats are widened for extra comfort on longer journeys, and these front seats can also be electrically adjusted with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 2-spoke leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as voice control, and on the right the cruise control and the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit does include different display options to best suit driver preference, including map, focused and dial, with the dials being customizable to best suit what the driver would like. The main infotainment touchscreen does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as EV charging stations and fuel stations. You can also access radio with FM and DAB, as well as standard Bluetooth connectivity, which allows for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can access the rear parking view cameras from down here, or we can access the 360 3D cameras. The heated and ventilated seats are also controlled via the touchscreen with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and the same as in the rear. The front seats do also benefit from massage features with different levels of intensity as well as massage type and directions. Below the infotainment screen, we do find storage pockets containing USB-C charging ports, as well as a twin set of cup holders and another charging port located in this hidden storage pocket. The armrest itself can also lift up to reveal a ventilated storage pocket, and the controls for the panoramic sunroof are located just above the driver's head. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Range Rover. For any more inquiries, do get in touch with our sales team now.